These 5 legitimate money-making apps can help you earn over $100 a week. And the best part is they are completely free. As you know, people are already making over $1,000 a month using these apps or similar apps. So be sure to like this video and let's dive into the first app on our list. Stride. The website is stride.social, so don't get confused. Almost all the apps that we are discussing today are new to this channel, so stick around until the end to maximize your earnings. Stride is a completely free and legitimate app that pays you just for walking. As you can see, it is all about making walking a more rewarding part of your life. The app is new and it has over 10,000 downloads currently right now, and this is a great opportunity for anyone that sees this video in the first few months. Because most of the times these apps, they change their rules. They either stop paying people as much as they used to, or they will make things a bit more difficult for the new users. On this app, you are going to join the Move to Earn revolution and start earning while staying fit. They have over 12,000 users or striders, and they have a leadership board that you can participate in. With the just 24 steps, you are going to get 10 stride points. Once you accumulate certain points, you can exchange it for gift cards or simply just cash. So go ahead and take advantage of this app. The second free and legitimate app on our list is called Uprock. Uprock allows you to earn money by sharing your data. You can download the app and connect to various apps to it, such as Netflix, Uber, Spotify, and many more. The more apps you connect, the more data you share and the more money you make. After a bit more research, I found that you can earn between $4 to $15 per month in coins, which is actually more than what other data sharing apps offer. The unique thing about Uprock is that they do airdrops. They have their own token named Uprock, and it is a Solana token. If you are familiar with crypto, then you probably have heard about Solana. So Uprock is part of Solana. So basically, the potential of making money with this app is just not from passive income like earning $4 a month, but you can also make some token and you can hold that token and hopefully it might blow up. The next app on our list is Pawns.app. This is an amazing app where I'm going to recommend you every single time. On this app, you can make money by playing games, taking surveys, sharing your internet, and earning from referrals. You can earn up to $100 per game offer. You can earn up to $5 per survey, and you can simply cash out from just $5. Also, you can make money 10% of the revenues from your referrals. This app is loved by many people. It is available on both Android and iOS, and they actually pay out. Since I have started using this app, they have never changed the rules. It is one of the few apps that actually stick to what they say. They have paid out over $3 million to users in 2023, and the average earnings of users is $12. I know that is not a lot of money, but you need to understand that these apps will not pay you crazy amount of money and they're not going to change your life. This is just a side hustle for you. I hope you remember that, because I don't want you to expect you are going to get a lot of money then get disappointed from these apps. But they still work, so I don't have any complaint. So from answering surveys on this app, you're going to get paid $7.5 per month. And internet sharing, you're going to get paid $9.6 per month. So in total, you're going to get paid almost $17 per month. Still not a lot of money, but it is something. After you accumulate your money, you're going to get paid through PayPal, which is available almost to all countries. If not, then they will pay you through another website called Tremendous. It deals mostly with gift cards and rewards. The next app on our list is Paidwork. I've also mentioned Paidwork a bit of times on this YouTube channel. On this app, you can make money through your phone, computer, or tablet. It is available on both Android and iOS. Paidwork is a get paid to website that helps you find side hustle jobs and opportunities. But the side hustles are very easy to do, like playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. You can earn up to $700 a month without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is still no limit to your earnings, so you decide how much you can earn. So this is how it works. First of all, you are going to select a method of earning. It can be playing games, watching videos, doing micro tasks, or taking surveys. Then next, you are going to start earning by executing the steps that are required from you. And lastly, the app will do everything to pay you for what you did. The last app is called SurveyPay. SurveyPay is a new app that will pay you for completing surveys. And the best part is they might pay you $1 per survey you complete. The app is available on both Google Play Store and iOS. They will pay you through PayPal, so always make sure that you have a PayPal account because most of the apps pay you through PayPal. So those are the 5 apps you can install to make money online. It doesn't matter if you live in Africa, Asia, or Europe. Before you leave this video, make sure to watch my other video on how you can make $20 every 10 minutes on autopilot in Africa, but also worldwide, because if a method works in Africa, it probably works everywhere else. So don't forget to check out that video on your screen. Make sure to like the video and like also this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and send it to your family and friends. Until then, goodbye.